Hello and welcome along to this week's episode of Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom and today we're cooking festive pheasant breast parcels. So we're going to start with a pheasant breast. I'm going to make a pocket on the inside for stuffing. Just turn this into a little parcel. Some of you may have heard what I'm stuffing this pheasant with and thinking sounds a little strange, being that mincemeat is sweet. That's what the lemon juice is for. I'm going to add a bit of lemon juice to it just to cut that sweetness out. And the reason that I picked mincemeat was when I was researching things to go with a pheasant breast. It said things like apples and currants, dates and things like that, and then the spices that go with it are also associated with like Christmas and mincemeat. So I decided to go for mincemeat, and we'll give it a try. And let's get this mincemeat and some of this lemon. I'm just going to add a little bit of lemon. The acidity will help cut through the sugar, and so it's not quite so sweet. It's more the sweetness that I'm worried about overpowering everything else. Stir. Now I'm not going to put loads and loads of this in because again I'm worried about it overpowering the actual taste of the pheasant. I'm just going to give that a little taste. It's significantly less sweet, which is ideal for this cook. I'm going to take some of this mincemeat, just small that. Sorry, just realised you can't actually see that. I'm just going to push that all the way along where I opened, so the breast actually a little bit wide. And while we're here, I'm also going to add just an absolute smidgen of butter. And because these pheasant breasts don't have any skin, we're also going to wrap these in a streaky bacon as well. Just going to tuck all that in together. Lay some bacon down. Up. Just loop it round. I think I might actually use 2 pieces just to keep that. We'll try and keep the outside moist. And we don't want these to dry out when we're cooking them. So there we go. Chimney starter, start our charcoal. In the bottom I'm just going to light some little wax woodies. And then we're just going to place the chimney starter directly over the top. Charcoal is nice and glowing. I'm going to pour that into the bottom. With another couple of fresh charcoal. So I plan on doing another cook after I've done these pheasant breasts. I'm just going to shut the lid and let everything come up to temperature. Nice to about 300 F, which is about 150 C. Will do nicely for these. It's off indirectly, which means that they're not directly over the heat. They're off to one side. If there's anybody new to barbecuing. just got them just slightly away from the charcoal, as you can see. Shut that lid back down, and we're going to give that 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes, and we're going to leave at least another 10 before we open up and have another look. It's been another 10 minutes. I'm just going to check some internals. Oh, you can't see that on the screen, but we're running about just under 60 degrees C. So we're going to slide these over now over direct heat. Slide them straight over like that. I'm going to keep an eye on these now because of this bacon and the fat content. So about every 4 minutes, I suppose, I'm going to open this up, have a look, see what's going on. So it's been 3 minutes. I just want to turn these and just check that we're not cremating that bacon underneath that fat. Oh, they're looking nice. Back down, get that temperature in. I'm just going to check these internal temperatures. Yeah, we're over 74, so we're good. We're just going to place these onto a plate to rest. Let these rest for about 5 minutes. I'm just going to cut into one. Straight through the middle. Still lovely and juicy in there. Butter's really helps to keep that moisture in, as well as the bacon. So off a slice, just to give this a taste. It works really well. Spices really complement the meat. Fruit works really well. Not overly minced pie. Yeah, definitely something to cook around Christmas for guests. It works really, really well. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. If anything, what I've learned from this cook is I'll probably put more mincemeat in it next time, just to give it a bit more spice, but definitely keep the lemon juice in there to reduce the sugar levels. Then that worked really well. If you've enjoyed this video, then please give us a like and consider subscribing, and I hope to see you all next time.